All right, good morning. This is Sunday, the 24th of October, and we got up early this morning, but we didn't get out before daybreak. We got out right about 7:30, and we have changed our plans. Today was going to be about a 7.5 mile day, but looking at the forecast, it looks like it's going to be lightning tomorrow afternoon, thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. So we're going to try to push on to the second shelter, which will be about a 14.6 mile day, and that'll just leave us 4 miles in the morning to get to the hostel, which I think is doable. So that's our plan. All righty, so we came out of the woods that way, and the trail comes down here, and then right here are some concrete, little design here. It's listed as a helicopter pad. I don't know if a helicopter actually lands in here or if that's just what they call it, but it's definitely concrete. It's not real rocks. It's concrete. And we have a very nice view out there. And over that way is Mount Guyot. I think I'm saying it right, Guyot. And somewhere out there is Little Knob and Thomas Knob. But wonderful view this morning. All right, so we just got finished eating our lunch at Crosby Shelter. It's the shelter that they closed earlier in the year for aggressive bear activity. And if you look out that way, you should be able to see some really good coloration on the hills, mountains behind us. But this is the beginning of our afternoon hike. We got about another 6.97 miles to go, and we'll be to the Davenport Gap Shelter, and that'll be a great day for us. All right, we've come to this little rock formation at a turn in the trail. Oh boy. I don't know what that white tower is over there, but you'll see it straight out. There's a white tower over there. I have no idea what that is, but look at all those awesome colors down there. I know it's hard to see it through the trees, but that is fantastic. Oh, wow. Gorgeous day. All right, so we made it to Davenport Gap Shelter. This will be the last night we spend on the trail for this particular junction. And if you'll notice, this particular shelter has some wire cage material, and I think it's the last one of the shelters that still do this. It was designed to keep the bears out, but a long time ago when they put it up, people started feeding the bears through the fence, and unfortunately that of course attracted bears, and then the people were stuck inside. So none of the other shelters have done that. They've all got rid of it. So that is what this shelter, the difference between this one. So we're hoping that we get a good night and get out of here in the morning before the rain kicks in, especially the thunderstorms that are supposed to be hitting early in the afternoon tomorrow.